Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me ask you guys a question first. Does everything goes as planned in year 2020? Place the sensor on your lap and it will count the numbers. There's also a heartbeat rate sensor on the side of the box.
This is a study cube, a device to develop your study life. With a sensor, timer, and alarm, choose the duration of the lesson. You could also set up a timer from your mobile phone.
He can set up the notification of the class.
Hi, this is SmartGate.
First, put your fingerprint in the sensor and also your Hong Kong ID card. If two of them are matched, the gate will be opened and get a green light. You have to answer the health declaration. If you are under 37 degrees Celsius, welcome back to Hong Kong.
Our game is The Greatest at This Adventure.
The cat will cause problems or has requirements. You have to satisfy him by pressing buttons on the remote control accordingly. An LED will light up when the cat is about to die. We got this idea because when the cat leaves the planet, players could not start again because their lives do not take two.
We use the LCD to show how many cups of water the user drinks in a day.
And we use the Jupiter sensor to do so. We will use lemon tea as an example. After drinking 8 cups of water, user will be rewarded with a cute emoji animations.
Our product is water dispenser. The problem of people don't drink enough water.
Today I'm going to talk about our group Arduino project, the Virus Wall. It's very easily for everyone to use. The panel is using button. When you are getting 0, when you minus your HP to 0, you got a defeat like this.
Auto-Closes Cleaning Spray is the machine that you can easier to clean your clothes without using the body's part to touch anything.
Okay.
This is our automatic water refill system, Protect You.
This device is designed to prevent destructive spreads. If anything gets near to the sensor for less than 5 cm, the gate will be opened automatically.
After a few seconds, it closes slowly.
This is the buzzer when the bin is almost full. There's some indicator light. We got a DHT11.
We press the button to control the mask box open, and the LCD will show the number of masks. Then we use ultrasonic sensor to control the rubbish bin open automatically. And the buzzer will sound on to alert people to wash hands.